So Lee says that being in a car wash is one of the most relaxing things, but I'll show you my favorite part is when the logo goes across the window shield. Best part. Like the inner marketing professional in me just mwah. So anyway, getting the car washed, heading to Florida tomorrow. Yeah, so we'll be driving to Cincy and hopping a plane, and I got my nails done, and yeah, pretty stoked, right? Like I got my Mickey vibes representing, and let's just take a moment of zen.